Hey everyone, check out the Bixiaomei 80-inch floating desk with versatile storage shelves that mount on your wall. This multifunctional workstation folds up to save space and features movable cubes you can place anywhere in your home. Use it as a laptop desk, study table, TV stand, or even a crafting bench for ultimate flexibility. The 3-tier shelves provide ample storage to keep your essentials organized and your room clutter-free. Crafted from premium plywood and sturdy hardware, this desk offers excellent durability and strong load-bearing capacity. Assembly is simple with the included tools and clear step-by-step instructions. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty and 24/7 support for peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.